You are considering the question, how can I make the Internet of Things usable in my company? It is not very difficult for your company that already uses cloud technologies. As a customer of SAP Business ByDesign, you have the fundamentals in place. Now, it is time to further extend your leadership edge, and that's where we can help you. Based on examples and live in SAP Business ByDesign, our free webinar will show you how your service team or maintenance can integrate the Internet of Things into your process.